Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ritika. Welcome to Beautico. So today I was just getting ready, so I thought why not just film this look. This is the look that I go for whenever I want to look glammed up and very chiseled. So yeah, if you want to know how I achieve this look, please keep watching. We're gonna first start off with primer. The primer that I'm using is my NYX Angel Wheel primer. Now I am gonna be wearing this makeup for almost 12 hours, so I need my makeup to last that long, and I'm gonna be in the sun, in the heat. So for that I'm using a base which is tried and tested. I'm also using my L'Oreal Matte Magique foundation. Like, these two together are like a seal on my face. They just last throughout the day and I do not get sweaty or oily whatsoever. Anyway, we are gonna move on to concealer. For concealer, I'm using my Instant Age Rewind concealer. I love this concealer. It's so full coverage, so blendable, and so lightweight on the skin. I'm using it in the shade medium, and I'm just applying it wherever I feel I need concealing, a little bit of highlighting, and then just blending it out with my favorite beauty blender, the EcoTools beauty blender. It's so soft, so soft. And then I'm just setting everything with my Kryolan translucent powder. Again, love this powder. These are my holy grail products, guys. I love them. Now we are going to move on to the main part, that is the eyeliner. Now I'm using my Inglot gel liner and I'm using my Pro Art brush, and I'm just taking a little bit and just wiping out the excess product on the back of my hand. And yeah, I had to sneeze because of that powder, translucent powder. This always happens. Anyway, we are going to move on to eyeliner. So first I'm just drawing the outer wing, and then I'm joining it from the outer wing to the inner corner of my eye in a V shape. I first like to draw the outline on both the sides so that they are equal, and then I'll go ahead and fill it in with the Inglot gel liner. And I love this Inglot gel liner. It's super duper black and it does not transfer whatsoever. And then I'm applying some mascara. I'm going to be applying lashes, so I just want a little bit of a base for that lash. So first we are starting to contour. I want my cheeks to look very chiseled. I'm using this Wet n Wild contour kit and I'm just contouring the hollows of my cheeks. And then I'm going to go ahead and use my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish Give Me Sun bronzer, and I'm going to place this right above the contour that we just placed and start warming up my face. And I love a bronze look, and this color is like perfect for me. It's like a natural bronze. And I'm also contouring my nose because, as you guys know, I want my nose to look a little bit more sharper. Then let's move on to blush. For blush, I'm using this Miss Claire blush in the shade, I'll mention it in the description box below, and I'm just applying it right at the hollows of my cheeks where I placed my bronzing powder. And then I'm highlighting with my Wet n Wild highlighter in the shade Flower Child, I suppose. And I'm highlighting everywhere on the highest points of my cheeks. Now I went for a subtle highlight because I did not want that blinding highlight. I wanted the look to look a little bit softer on the face. And then I'm applying my lashes. These are the PAC M72 lashes. PAC lashes are the best, guys. They are very comfortable, and see the difference between the lashed eye and the without lashes eye. And then just applying some mascara on my bottom lashes, and I'm gonna apply a white eyeliner so that my eyes look way bigger and wide awake. They look so doll-eyed. I love this look. Then let's move on to lips. I'm using my Pro Art lip liner, and I'm just gonna fill in the outer corners just to give it an ombre look. And then I'm gonna go ahead and fill my lips with the Matte Me from Arzia. This is in the shade Skin Kiss. This is like a very beautiful pinky shade, and this combination, guys, oh my god, I just love this combination. It's so pretty. So yeah, that was it, and I'm just setting everything in place with this Make It Last setting spray by Milani. Again, love that. It's so good, and it smells divine as well. And then I'm just wearing my earrings. These were from Lifestyle, I suppose, and just setting my hair properly my bun a little bit more messier so that it looks like a very elegant hairstyle. Anyway, this is the final result, guys. I hope you guys like this look. If y'all do, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell right next to the subscribe button so that y'all get notified every single time I upload. So yeah, that's it. I'll see y'all in my next one very soon. Until then, bye.